Hi, I'm Russ Martin, owner and head coach of GLCT, and this is my son Ray, co-owner and vice president. We are a family and veteran marine-owned company. The past April marked our 41st anniversary of custom cutting tools, evolving from a small sharpening business starting in a Quonset hut in 1979. Thank you, Ray.
Today we are 84 employees strong with 100,000 square feet of manufacturing, service, and administration area. We pride ourselves in producing quality tooling solutions delivered on time, not only to help improve productivity, but to also reduce overall tooling costs where possible. Thank you for your interest in Great Lakes Custom Tool and taking time to watch this video.
Hi, it's Tim Finger with Great Lakes Custom Tool. I'm here today to show you guys some of the existing tools that we actually manufacture, and then also Casey is going to be running a demo on the router to show you how we make three different things here. One, we're going to make a dovetailed drawer box, we're going to make an MDF shaker door, and then we're also going to cut the outside edge of a cabinet door with a diamond tool all in one pass. So first of all, to show you how we do the dovetailed drawer here, we're going to use some solid carbide tools, and this tool here is just a regular 1/4 inch compression spiral. This is the tool. It's in a hydraulic type tool holder, and what we use, this is going to be doing the finish cut for the tongue of the dovetail drawer. So this tool right here will be actually cutting and doing the tongue part of the profile, and then the other solid carbide tool that we're going to be making does the female part of that, and that will do the slots here. And then you'll see on the CNC router where we'll just show us programming and then cutting all these slots. And then the type of tool holders that we use for these tools, the first tool that I showed you, the 1/4 inch compression spiral tool, and the hydraulic holder. This is kind of unique where you just tighten this 5mm screw and you're able to, I should put it in my tool changing block here, but loosen that up and you're actually able to then just take that tool in and out. Okay, another type of tool holder that we have here that we're going to show you is a Sino R made by Shunk, and that type of tool holder is basically there's a threaded cone here, and you can stick your tool in. This is a 1/2 inch compression spiral. We use that to rough out a good portion of the drawer box as well. But you just put it in there, and then you take your wrench and you can go ahead and you rotate that into position, and that'll tighten that tool where you need it to be. You have to rotate this tool until it bottoms out. Once it bottoms out, it means that that shoulder is touching the bottom of the flange face of the HSK. And what that does is you are forcing, there's like an elastomer ring in here, and by compressing that elastomer ring, you're holding the shank of that tool, and there's also some vibration dampening that plays effect with that elastomer ring as well. Other ways to hold tools would be we have a heat shrink. We're not using that for any of the tools right now on the router, but same concept is you can take the tool, put it in the heat shrink unit. It heats it up to like 1,000 degrees, which then expands it. Then the tool would drop down in, and when it cools, then it wraps around the shank of that tool. Okay. So here's the box that was finished. We have a company that is local that will actually do the logo on it, and then we ship all of our diamond tools. I want to thank Casey Brusso and DJ Kronkowitz for programming the router to make all these boxes. So for the second demo, now we're going to be cutting the MDF door. This is a shaker door, and what we do is we actually there's 4 different tools that we're going to show you. First of all, we start with this, we have a PCD polycrystalline diamond tool. It's got an integral tool body. What that means is the HSK 63F tool holder is built right into the tool. What's nice about that is it's just super accurate. That way we can get a very nice finish on the bottom. So in the video, you'll see actually the tool comes on, that's removing all the material out of the middle. Okay. Then we take a 3/8 solid carbide down spiral, and we take a 1 pass all the way around the outside edge of the door. And then typically on these, 1-piece shaker doors, the customer wants a real sharp corner. Almost looks like a typical 5-piece door. So then we have another solid carbide tool. It's really small in diameter. It's also got a little radius. It'll actually break that edge as well. So this tool will come in and go around just like this, and give you the small radiuses in the corners. When we're done with that, we also have an insert tool here. This is just for doing the outside edge. Inserts, you just need an actual screwdriver that has these screws holding the insert, and you just tighten the screws, and that's how the inserts are affixed onto the tool body. This tool holder is actually a collet type tool holder. Just to show you a little bit, the only way to hold this tool in is to tighten this nut, usually with a torque wrench, so everybody does it the same way. And you are going to basically mash mating tapers together to get this tool to be affixed into the actual tool holder. A little bit different than the hydraulic or the shunt that I showed you before. For the third demo here today, Casey's going to actually ran this tool and cut the outside edge of this door part right here. And he just did it all in 1 pass. What I have here is one of our tool setup or tightening fixtures, and we have different attachments for this, and you can actually see you loosen this up, and then I'm able to pull the HSK. So this actually holds onto the HSK 63F. We have different attachments, so you can actually put in a power lock, or you can put on an arbor where you can put a bored cutter head onto an arbor and have 2 hands to work on the tool, where you can actually change out inserts with actually 2 hands. But anyway, this is the tool that Casey ran, and yeah, really he just, you'll see in the video, he just took 1 pass and he went all the way around the door with this tool. It's a brazed diamond tool. You can see that it's got multiple wing, and it's got some high shear into it. And it does a very nice job on the end grain. So that's the tool that cut this outside edge. Casey just ran this profile 10 minutes ago. And enjoy the video. Again, this is Tim Finger from Great Lakes Custom Tool, and thanks for watching the video.